How you doing? Welcome back, guys. This is my short block. I'm going to begin the process of taping it all off and ultimately begin priming and painting it. I'll go ahead and tape as best as I can, trim around it, and then once that's all done, I'll start. Now I'm just using standard blue tape. I'm not even very close to this, but I want to make sure, I'm going to trouble. Okay, I'm not going to be anywhere near this, but I want to scrape the paint off so I can avoid it from here. So I'll continue this process onto the other side, and I'll bring you back once that's all done. Getting any last minute dust out of it. Okay, I got everything kind of taped up. It's not perfect, but I'm not looking for perfection. I'm just trying to improve it from where it was. Well, I'll begin the priming process now. And I'll come back and I'll touch it up afterwards if I need to. All right, so I'm just gonna blow it off, make sure that there's no dust or anything else left on it. But otherwise, I'll pick it up again while I'm priming it. All right, I'm trying some VHT primer, high heat engine enamel. Let's see how this works. So the way this works, I believe it's a couple of coats, 10 minutes apart. We'll find out. Oh, I got good coverage. I have to say the coverage on this is amazing. These are light coats. It looks heavier than what it is, but I'm not really, I'm not really doing too much. So I'm already impressed. Can you rotate this a little bit? Okay. So these orange plugs, they're actually earplugs. I just put them in the bolt holes to make things a little, easier and not clog the bolts up with paint. So I'll give this 10 minutes and do a second coat. Okay, I'm going to apply the second coat. So that's 2 light coats, 10 minutes apart, and then 1 medium coat And you let that sit for 30 minutes before applying your final color coat. Now I put the pan on here temporarily. The oil pan, I'm going to sand and paint separately. I really practice the VHT. I'm going to use it one. I don't really know that well. I don't know if this really needs a third coat, but maybe I should follow the instructions for once. Okay, I'll let that set. 10 more minutes. Apologies, everyone. I lost my audio. But what I'm explaining here is that once you have the engine primed, it's about 30 minutes of your last prime coat before you begin spraying your finished color coat. I'm going to be using here a VHT engine enamel, the high heat, the 500-degree version. And I'm just using Cherry Orange. Shake it well and just start spraying. Very light coats, just nice, simple, light coats. This VHT spray has very good coverage, so it looks like it's going on a lot thicker than really what it is, but it's really light. I'm not really hitting it all that hard. It just has very good coverage. I was actually very impressed with it. So here I'm just going around the block, just giving it a once over with it's more than a little mist. I was trying to, at the bare minimum, get full coverage in as light a coat as I can. All right, so I'm just bringing you along for that. I'm gonna give it the second coat. It looks wet, but this is dry to the touch. Okay. Okay. Turn this around and let it dry for another 10 minutes. And then I'll come back and give it my final coat. Okay. I'm going to come do my final coat. Gonna spin this around. Okay. Let's put the pin in it.